Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to deactivate or delete your Facebook account. To do this, first open your Facebook and then tap on three dot icon in the top of corner. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. And then tap on Settings. Now tap on Account Center. Scroll down and then tap on Manage Accounts. Tap on Manage, then go to Deactivation or Deletion. Now tap on your Facebook account. Now if you want to deactivate your Facebook account, then tap on Continue, or if you want to delete, then select the Deletion and then tap on Continue. Now tap on Continue again. Now select any reason why you want to delete your Facebook account and then tap on Continue. Now tap on No, continue with deletion. Scroll down and tap on Continue again. Now enter your account password and then tap on Continue to delete your account. Thank you.